Yes, hello. What meeting are you here for, exactly? Oh, right, the, harmonica lesson. Sorry, yeah, I was, expecting somebody else. Let me take this off real quick. Yeah, so Polygondwanaland, right? Yeah. So today I'm going to show you how to play Crumbling Castle, Castle in the Air. I'll give you the notes for Tetrachromacy. That's fun. And then the fourth color, I'll give you the notes for. So I'm not actually going to play Castle in the Air or the fourth color, but I'll let you know what the notes are. Castle in the Air it sounds like a bunch of bent two draws and then not bent two draws over and over again. And, that goes throughout a couple parts. And then later on in the song, there's just a four draw with some hand vibrato that gets bent down. Kind of like that. And then the fourth color is a lot of patterns that, again, I'm not going to play because, you'll see. It starts with a two draw. I'm just doing ta, 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 and then four draw. Six blow. And then everyone's favorite, nine blow. So that's why I'm not playing that. What's more interesting is Crumbling Castle and Tetrachromacy, and everything on this album is played with an E harmonica. But we're going to start off with Crumbling Castle, and it's going to start with a three draw, four blow, and then a really big four draw. We're going to play around with it a little bit, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So right at the end there, you could hear I went wee, wee with it. And then I slid to a three draw because we're going back and doing the same pattern again, sort of. So then three draw, four blow, but then we're going to switch to a two draw, wail on that for a little while, and then switch over to a one draw, and then bend that even further down. So... And then, wouldn't you know it, we are going back to the exact same pattern again. But this time, I've added a three blow. And, you can kind of hear that in the melody of the song. I don't know if it's played on the harmonica. But, it fits, and it's a good excuse to exhale before you fill your lungs. So, three blow, three draw, four draw, four blow, four draw. Sorry, just read it. It's written correctly. And then we're going to, at the end of the four draw, kind of give it some bend vibrato and then switch to a three blow, three draw really quick right at the end. So just the four draw should sound like... And then, of course, we're going to end on that three blow, three draw, four blow, and then stop there. And that'll be the end of that part. And then we'll get to a one draw, which just drags on and it gets bent down. And then do that again. I'm just kind of bending it and then bringing it back up. So that full part, along with the song, sounds like this. Wow, that was fantastic. Up next is Tetrachromacy. And that's going to start with 2 draw, bent, and then not bent. Actually, I kind of like to lead into it bent. It's not it's so you can kind of hear. I mean, it's subtle, but you could do it that way. And then we're going to switch over to the 4-hole and do the same thing. And then again, 2-hole. And then we're going to do it again on the 2-hole. And this time we're going to start a pattern. We're going to do the and then we're going to go on the 2-hole, bend it down. 1 draw, 1 draw, 2 draw. And then after that part, we're going to immediately slide over to the 4-hole and do the same, which is a bit tough because you got to slide all the way there after doing all the 2 draw, 1 draw, 1 draw, 2 draw. And then we're going to do 2 5 draws and a 6 blow. So from the 4 draw, it should sound like this. And just slowly let that fade out. And there you go. There's Tetrachromacy. I wonder what that sounds like with the song playing behind it. Wow, that was fantastic too. I hope you enjoy the audio on this wonderful video because I bought an actual microphone and I'm going to learn how to use it. And I'm in a closet now with a blanket hung up. Because playing harmonica loudly is annoying to your neighbors and the people that you live with. What a fun hobby. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a lot more albums from this time period of the Gizzverse. So Nonagon, I hope to cover Robot Stop and Gamma Knife at least, because they have those really fast sections, all throughout them, and they're very complicated. And I've been practicing them and trying to learn how to do it. And also, I've been watching videos online for like how to play some of these songs that I don't agree with the tabs sometimes. So I have to listen to the song and like try to actually figure out what's actually being played in the song, and it's very hard to do on Gamma Knife specifically. It's like no matter how many times that I watch it, it's just like so fast, and I slow it down, and then it's like I can't remember all the notes that I just heard, and my brain shuts down. And but I'll get it done, and I'll put it out. Also, I'm in Your Mind Fuzz is super. It's a lot. That's a monumental video, and there's plenty of tutorials online already. But I'm going to make one anyway because, why not have more? And of course, it's got to be on my channel too, right? I can't just have all this stuff and be like, that one, you go watch somebody else's video. You don't have to watch mine. Speaking of cool things coming in the future, I recently ordered a bespoke microtonal B harmonica. And I can't wait to get my hands on it and, learn some songs and hopefully put out some stuff in the microtonal harmonica community that doesn't exist yet. But hopefully my videos will, create one and he can get some extra business making more, and we'll all have a great time playing some microtonal harmonicas. So stay tuned for some more fun stuff coming this way. Subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell so you don't miss anything, and all that stuff. But seriously, thanks for all the comments and everything. I appreciate it. I hope you guys are getting something out of these videos, and if not right now, I hope that they, just go out into the world and somebody searches for them and finds them one day. Love it when that happens. So thanks again. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.
Hello.